Hello everyone, we have data link layer. The next topic is data control access from this layer. Now to control access we have three different techniques. The one is called reservation, polling, token passing. Now elaborating the reservation access method. In reservation access method, a station needs to make a reservation before sending data. Time to divide it into intervals. A reservation frame precedes the data frame sent in that interval. If there are n stations in the system, there are exactly n reservation mini slots in the reservation frame. When a station needs to send a data frame, it makes a reservation in its own mini slot. The stations that have made reservation can send their data frames after the reservation frame. So this is the pictorial representation for reservation access method. Second technique is polling. Polling works with topologies in which one device is designated as primary station and the other devices are secondary stations. All data exchanges must be made through the primary device even when the ultimate destination is a secondary device. The primary device controls the link. The secondary devices follow its instructions. It is up to the primary device to determine which device is allowed to use the channel at a given time. The select function is used whenever the primary device has something to send. The primary must alert the secondary to the upcoming transmission and the wait for an acknowledgement of the secondary ready status. Before sending the data, the primary creates and retransmits a select frame, one field of which includes the address of the intended secondary. Here we have the working of select statement in the pictorial form. Now we have the poll function. Poll function is used by the primary device to solicit information from the secondary devices. When the primary is ready to receive data, it must ask poll each device in turn if it has anything to send. When the first secondary is approached, it responds either with negative acknowledgement frame if it has nothing to send or with data if it does. If the response is negative, then primary asks to other secondary station. Now here we have a figure showcasing the token passing network. Now this is the flow chart for token passing procedure. We start, wait for the token, capture the token, data frame to send a frame, allocated time expired, then we have again finally release the token and stop. Next concept is channelization, frequency division multiple access, time division multiple access, and finally we have channel division multiple access. In frequency division multiple access, the bandwidth is divided into channels. Frequency division multiple access, the available bandwidth is divided into frequency bands. Each station is allocated a band to send its data. In other words, each band is reserved for a specific station and it belongs to the station all the time. Each station also uses a band pass filter to confine the transmitter frequencies. To prevent station interferences, the allocated bands are separated from one another by small guard bands. In TDMA, that is time division multiple access, the bandwidth is just one channel, that is time shared. CDMA, one channel carries all transmissions simultaneously. Now here comes the conclusion. Medium access control can be random access, controlled or channelized. In CSMA station, must listen to the medium first. CSMA CD is CSMA with post collision procedure. CSMA CA is CSMA with procedure that avoids collision. Thanks for watching.